In this tutorial, we will learn on how to create shop. For this, log in into your store on Singlebag Partner Platform. Dashboard of your store appears once you log in. Click on Create Shop. Enter customer name, email ID, password, transaction ID. Select the plan, enter shop name and save. All shop menu will list all created shops. On the top left of the screen, you would find all active, suspended, pending, and trash tabs. Those tabs display the shop that are active, suspended, pending, and deleted one in trash. You can also view the current plan of the customer, joining date, shop admin, etc. In Action tab, you can edit, view, make order, and send mail. For further assistance, feel free to reach our technical team. Thanks for watching.